Hello to all my viewers. I've got a lot of new people coming to the channel and I get a lot of questions about what the setup process is like for the Tucktec folding kayak. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how I fold the kayak to get it set up to take out on the lake. So I'm here at a Pennsylvania State Park lake and I'm going to go out on the water today. But as you can see, it's a pretty simple process that kind of starts with the front where you're folding these Velcro sections. Then you need to use a little bit more force and you're going to fold the front of the boat. There's latches and then they all have like little safeties that clip in so they can't come unfolded when you're out on the water. It's pretty simple. There's about 4 folds on the side and then you're basically ready to get the bar in, which helps support the seat and keep you upright. The newer models of Tucktec, like the Pro and the Junior, they have this improved seat. It is such an improvement from the earlier models. You have like a Velcro strap to additionally hold it in place and it just doesn't move and it's just so much more support for your back. As you can see here, I'm putting in the skeg. This helps make sure that you stay straight and just helps you give you better control of the boat. So now I've got the kayak completely set up and ready to go out on the water. You can see what it looks like. I have done this so many times, I can do this in a matter of minutes. So it is an absolutely beautiful morning here in Pennsylvania. So I've always loved kayaking and we used to rent kayaks from time to time, but owning my own kayak has been amazing. I get out here to kayak so much more often. So there is what I believe is a bald eagle flying above the lake. Yeah, you can hear it making noises up there. So like any large body of water, you're going to find your calmest waters closest to the shoreline. As you get out more towards the middle, you're going to have a little bit more wind, a little bit more wave action, and that's pretty fun too. I also want to mention one more thing. If you're kayaking in a Pennsylvania state park, be sure that you have your boat registration or a launch permit. I believe it's about $10 a year, or you can get a discount if you buy 2 years. You want to make sure you have that with you because that is required for a Pennsylvania state park. If you remember, all of our state parks are free, so this is just a small way for the park to collect some revenue. It's not a bad price. Once you have your launch permit, you can use it in any Pennsylvania state park, but just be sure you have it. So as you can see here, I'm just going around taking down the kayak. For me, folding the kayak up is even faster than actually setting it up. Because you're just kind of undoing latches. It goes so quickly. And like I always mention, I never clean these because of the type of plastic, you know, algae and things don't really stick to it. So I just roll this up as it is, put it in my trunk or put it in my garage, and I am good to go. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this relaxing. Maybe you found it interesting. If you're interested in getting a Tucktec folding kayak of your own, I have a 10% off discount for my viewers. I have heard from so many of my viewers who have gotten themselves these kayaks and they absolutely love them. So that's really great to hear that feedback from people. If you ever have any specific questions or things like that, come to me because we've owned our kayaks for several years. We kind of know all the tips and tricks and I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Have a great day, guys, and be sure to let me know in the comments. Have you gotten your kayak out for the year? Have you been out on the water yet? Let me know.